How to activate your Xeon's Bank debit card. Hi everyone, today I'll walk you through how to activate your Xeon's Bank debit card so you can start using it right away. When your new debit card arrives, the quickest way to activate it is by calling the activation number that comes with your card. Just follow the automated prompts and verify your identity. Another simple method you can use is try to activate it in any ATM. Just insert your card, enter your PIN, and complete a quick transaction like checking your bank balance or making a small withdrawal. You may be able to activate it through Xeon's Bank Online or mobile banking as well. So after logging into your account, find an option to view your cards, tap on your new card, and then you should be able to find an option to activate card. Once activated, don't forget to sign the back of your card for security and consider setting up alerts in Xeon Bank's app to help you track your spending. And that's it. Your Bank debit card is ready to go for purchases, ATM use, and everyday transactions. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tips. I'll see you guys on the next one.